description. Alright, this video is for someone specific. I've never really gotten a request for a video, except for till now. And so, what the heck, I'll go for it. And I really don't know what I'm going to do for the video. I still don't know what I'm going to do. So for now, I'm going to wing it. Oh, by the way, this video is for Michelle. I'm pulling up a picture right now. Hold up. Boom, 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 boom. This is Michelle. She asked me to make a video for her, so I said I would. Why wouldn't I? So, yeah, I have no idea what to do. She's a cute, beautiful young lady. Just kidding. She's a beautiful little girl. Huh. I really don't know. So, I haven't asked you how are you doing today. I'm just kidding. Alright. You know what I feel like doing? I feel like dancing. Actually, I feel like finger tutting / hand tutting. So, what'll...
Yeah, do you really wanna test me, man? My shoes are better than yours. My pants are better than yours. My shirt is better than yours. If you wanna come and get a motherfucker shit, I'll be outside with a pad and a pencil. We can do runways back and forth and just fight like two leather and pencil. S-T-E-N-E-F-A-G-T-O-T. Yeah, that's
dancing.
S-T-E-N-E-K-I-D-D. Sex and no perks, me with broken side. Who's out of the tie? Go ahead and get your crunk, okay? Are you okay? Damn. The way I fucking dress, you know I gotta impress. Got everybody saying damn. The way I fucking dress, you know I gotta impress. Got everybody saying damn. You know the way we roll, we're fucking out of control. Got all the toes saying you know the way we roll, we're fucking out of control. Got all the toes saying 7 babies go inside the shit, so I never bring it all together like
I don't know where that came from at all. That was completely random. My favorite band, BC13, if you don't know 'em. Broken Side, badass band. Freaky. I guess that's the video. Peace. Love. Yeah. Bye.